How to use the words illicit and illicit correctly. These two words are pronounced the same but have different spellings and meanings. They are examples of what we call homophones. Let's start with the first one, illicit, with the spelling of E-L-I-C-I-T. The word illicit with this spelling is a verb which means to draw out, to obtain, or to gain. It is pronounced as illicit, with the stress on the second syllable, illicit. Examples: she elicited anger instead of pity. We wanted to elicit your opinion about this issue. Let's just hope it will elicit their support with this project. The second one is the word illicit with the spelling of I-L-L-I-C-I-T. The word illicit with this spelling is an adjective which means illegal or against the law. It is also pronounced as illicit. The stress is on the second syllable. Examples: he had been involved in various illicit businesses. There's an ongoing campaign against illicit drug trade. There had been illicit dealings going on between the two companies. Here's a table to help you understand. The word illicit with the spelling of E-L-I-C-I-T is a verb. It means to draw out, to obtain, or to gain. And its pronunciation is illicit, with the stress on the second syllable. The second word illicit with the spelling of I-L-L-I-C-I-T is an adjective. It means illegal or against the law. And its pronunciation is still the same, illicit. The stress is on the second syllable. For our exercise, fill the blanks with the correct word. The first one, I am sure you'll blank positive response from your team. The correct answer is illicit with the spelling of E-L-I-C-I-T. This word means to draw out or to gain. The second one, they do not approve of their son's blank affairs. The correct answer is illicit with the spelling of I-L-L-I-C-I-T. This word means illegal. The third one, why do you want to blank suggestions from me? The correct answer is illicit. Why do you want to elicit suggestions from me? Elicit here means to draw out. The fourth one, I hope she'll be honest enough for us to blank the truth. The correct answer is illicit. I hope she'll be honest enough for us to elicit the truth. The last one, why do you always get involved in blank activities such as this? The correct answer is illicit. Why do you want to get involved in illicit activities such as this? Did you get them right?